My name is Priya. I am 25 years old. I have daily routine that I follow. Every morning, I wake up early and get out of the bed. Then, I brush my teeth and wash my face to feel fresh. After that, I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast for myself. I like to have cereal with milk and a cup of tea. When I finish my breakfast, I get dressed and go to my college. At college, I attend different classes. I study subjects like English, science, and Hindi. During my break time, I usually meet my friends in the market. We talk and laugh together while having a quick snack. After all my classes are done, I came back home. When I arrive home, I like to relax for a while. I sit on the couch and watch my favorite TV show or read a book. Sometime, I also listen to music and sing along. It helps me unwind after a long day of studying. In the evening, I help my mom with the household work. I clean the dishes, sweep the floor, and sometimes cook dinner. I enjoy spending time with my family and helping them. After dinner, I take a shower and get ready for the bed. Before going to sleep, I like to read a bedtime story or listen to soft music. It's helped me relax and fall asleep faster. I switch off the light, cuddle up in my cozy bed, and dream about the next day.